You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this game that you play with a ball. Yes, I know there's another video on YouTube that says it's pronounced as Tchoukball, but that doesn't make any sense. It's pronounced Tchoukball, and yes, the reason apparently the name is like this is because when you hit the net or the frame with the net on it, it makes a chook sound. So it's like an onomatopoeia. Tchoukball, Tchoukball. And now you know it all. Like this video if this was useful. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.